Hi, I'm Amy and this is Talk with Amy. I have a special guest tonight. She's a famous writer. Welcome, Jelka to Smrečnik.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here.
No problem. So recently you wrote a book. Can you tell us what inspired you?
It all goes back to the summer of 1940.
Pass auf, was machst du? Es war ein Unglück. Ja, that's enough. I hope nobody saw us. Auf Englisch. I would like to travel all around the world, and English is one of the most popular languages. Let's go. Zeit ist bereit. Wir können gehen, Johannes. Okay, great. Let's go.
Johannes and his friends were smuggling water from the Drava and selling it for a fortune back in Austria. We spent every night walking along the river together, messing about on the rafts, and fell head over heels in love. It was the best summer of my life.
Wow, so romantic. Did you ever see him after that?
Oh, I waited for years, but he never came back. So I went to London and started a new life.
I adored London. It was so busy and exciting compared to the peace in Slovenia. I just couldn't get enough. I made friends quickly and socialized every night. It wasn't long before I ran out of money and had to get a job quick.
Come in.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. What do you want, ma'am?
I'm looking for a job.
Perfect. We need a new waitress. You can start now.
Perfect. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi, you must be the new girl.
Yes.
So, I'm gonna show you a little bit around the kitchen and around the bar here, or the tea. So, here we have glasses for cold teas with iced teas and all that stuff and juices for the kids. Here we have for the wine, and down here we have different cups. Sometimes someone orders coffee that I'm going to show you how to make. Actually, take a cup and you put type this in, blah blah blah, this, and then you put here actually how much coffee do you want to make, and then you add milk if he wants to. So then, here we have the coffee. So first you put the filter on, and then you kind of put the cup in, and the coffee goes in, and then you put in hot water and all that stuff. Here we have some straws for the kids. Here we have one glass of just finished polishing. Here we have the fridge, and here is the fridge too. This is the ice fridge. So it's like where the ice is made. So here we have if you want cappuccino and all that stuff. So then I'm going to show you around here.
What do you want to order?
Black tea and milk, please.
Something else?
No, thanks.
Okay.
What does she want?
She wants black tea and milk.
Okay, I'll make it. You go to another customer right there. I'll make the tea. What did you say, milk? Okay.
You're fired!
job. What did you do?
Oh, I had some jobs to get some money, but I didn't like any of it. That was always my passion, and I heard there was a great ballet school in Moscow, so I went to Russia.
Russia was incredible. The culture and people were all totally different to what I'd known before, and I loved having the chance to learn so much new. I visited the theater as often as I could, learned the history and architecture of Moscow and St. Petersburg, and started to study philosophy. As time there passed, I gradually changed from an innocent girl to a woman of the world.
I raz, dva, tri, četiri, plie, plie, grand plie, stop, niet, zanovo. Raz, dva, tri, četiri. Grand. Oh. Это ужасно! Выметай се!
Excuse me. Are you the talent scout for the ballet?
Yeah, right. I thought I was, but there always is any talent left. Who's asking anyway?
I'm Jelka. I'm from Slovenia. I've just arrived in Moscow and I'm looking for a job.
You've come to the wrong place. I only teach the best. Sorry. No success.
Oh, actually, when she watched me dance, she decided I really had a potential, and I had to work very hard for a few years. But in the end, I was one of the best, and I had a really great career.
And after that, you stay in Moscow?
Oh, the world is too small to stay in one place. So I went to Italy, and I was also a very famous designer.
Huh.
Il giorno poi del tuo ritorno sei così sicura del mio amore da portarlo via con te.
Bellissimo! Dio, amo il tuo outfit. No, ma hai visto questo marchio? L'hai fatto tu? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand you. We love your clothes. And we can help you to create an online. Sure, we can try.
Non sa che vita c'è.
Siete il Smrečnik? Sono io. Mi piacciono i tuoi vestiti? Grazie, sono felice che ti piacciono.
Non sa che vita c'è in quello che
Italy was a really interesting experience. I became very famous there and I could hardly move without being recognized. I loved the food and the culture, but as I got older, the attention was all too much. I decided to move to America, the land of the free, never expecting what new opportunities would await.
After that, you became the best-selling writer.
Well, I had so many stories to tell. It was easy for me, you know.
Any regrets?
No, I had a wonderful life. I'm only sorry because I never saw Johannes again.
Okay, thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for having me. Bye.
Bye.
In the end, I returned to my homeland, where the water ran clean and the fields shone green. Despite all the places I had been, it was impossible to beat the peace and sheer beauty of Slovenia. And after all my adventures, it felt like a dream to be walking the shores of the Drava once more.
You're such a nice person, and I don't want to die alone. Juliju, Jelka, hiša.
You can tell her your secrets. Sleep safe tonight. There's an angel inside her. Her beauty's in flight. When the flame becomes the fire, the genie will show. She'll grant you what you ask for, and no one will know. Dancing in the townhouse in the middle of the day, moving to the bassline, the secret dance away. She's singing in the hallway, her laughter fills the air. The stage is where she's standing, you wish you were there, yeah, you wish you were there. Saves a love from miracles, first one by the sea. She gave a natural beauty, dancing feet to see. Her reflection soon would follow.
Moram reči, da so odnesli mojo sceno.
Lahko bi bilo slabše. Ona je bila The Jilted Woman in zdaj je The Jilted Woman brez besedila.
Bodi tiho.
Čakaj, zakaj se mi zdaj govorite slovensko?
Prinesi še kaležava.
Gremo.
Stages where she's